Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I have a 2010 Ford B-Max. I'm going to show you how to remove driver belt and how to install. This vehicle has a stretchable belt. That means the vehicle doesn't have any tension. I'm going to show you step by step how to remove, how to install new one. Stay with me, take a good idea. After that, I'm pretty sure you have your own confidence. Also, if you still not subscribe our channel, please subscribe now. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Let's go. This is the tool we needed for this job. 3/8 impact gun, 3/8 extension, T30 socket, number 18 half-inch socket, wobbly head long ratchet. This is the very important thing for this job. This is the removal and installation unit for the driver belt, special tool. If you want to buy this one, I'll put the link below. You can go through that and you can buy this part. If you don't have this one, don't worry, you can use flat screwdriver, but I'm not recommended, but many people use in that way also. Totally up to you, I'll leave it with you. Also, we need a driver belt 6PK1029 SF. This is the tool we needed for this job. As a first step, we need to jack up the car, leave axle stand underneath for the additional safety first, and also fully lock to right. Then we have a bit space underneath this area, work around. After that, I need to remove this plastic cover for the driver belt. I'm going to show you how to remove this cover. It's holding two T30 screws. This is the second screw. Now I can remove plastic cover. Also, I am advised to you, before you remove the belt, draw the diagram. If you mix up something, it's very easy to identify. However, it's in my mind, but I'm going to show you how to do that one. Main pulley, AC, this is the alternator, this pulley for water pump. Then belt running like this way, go all the way. Yeah, this is the belt. Yeah, if you're not sure, before you remove it, make a drawing like this and keep it with you. If it's something mix up, it's very easy. This is the remove inside. We need to put like this, make sure all the way in. Then after that, you need to use the bigger ratchet and turn, holding here and turn clockwise. Hold the tool and keep turning clockwise. Still keep holding. Now it's out. This is the old belt. This is the remove inside. You need to leave like that and turning clockwise. I'm going to compare new belt and old belt, same length. I'm going to show you how to reinstall new belt. First we need to start it from alternator. This is the AC, water pump and lined up for the crank pulley. Need to line this tool to the grooves. Hold it tightly and try to turn clockwise. Belt halfway in is still not set to the groove, then I have to turn another one more round to set to the groove. Then I am going to keep turning. When you turn like this, it will set automatically. All in. Now I am going to reinstall that plastic cover holding with two screws. All done. Now I am going to lower the car, take off axle stand, lower the jack. Once you do the job, start the car and make sure the engine in your out properly. Thank you. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. If you have any comment, question, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you not subscribe our channel yet, please do it now. Thank you.